My beautiful fellow Americans. My friend is laughing here. Yep. Alright, so something's up with the truck. We're parked here in Bethesda, Maryland. I'm on 495 West. So, I've never seen this before. I've heard the term, but never really even knew what it meant. But the truck did a diesel runaway where I turned off the truck and it just kept, the motor didn't turn off. It was smoking. I read up on it. Now I understand kind of, why it does it. Some kind of fuel gets into the motor, external fuel, whether it's oil or whatever, and it keeps the truck on. But why did they do that? What's wrong with it? I have no idea. Maybe it's a turbo. Maybe the engine blew. I still have no idea what's going on. I tried to start the motor once. It did start. Then I turned it right back off. And I don't want to mess with it too much. That makes me think the truck did not blow the motor, because blown motors, usually they don't turn on anymore. So but yeah, that's where we at right now. And we're in the middle of a snowstorm. There was 2 feet of snow coming in New England. I don't know how much it's gonna snow here in Maryland, but I know they're gonna get something here. But yeah, we parked on the side of the road now, and we'll see what happens. I'll keep you guys updated, I guess. Let you guys know what's up. So the one benefit of hauling cars is that when your truck breaks down, well, you can chill in the customer's car. So this is a 2018 F-150, and I think this is a Platinum. So we got the Platinum right here. These trucks are going for crazy money too. I think brand new they're going for 70 MSRP, and then people are asking for like 5,000-10,000 above MSRP, I think, or something like that. But yeah, so we're in the car here. It's an auction car, guys, so no one's gonna care. It's from Odessa. So we're here using the heat, trying to figure out, I guess, oil. We opened the boot from the turbo that goes from the intercooler all the way into the motor. So I opened that boot, and there's oil in the boot. So somehow oil got in there, which caused the runaway. And I'm trying to figure out what the problem is, because I can probably buy the part, try to fix it myself. If it's the turbo, again, I don't know what it is. What could cause oil to get into the boot? I'm trying to figure that part out. So, anyways, that's where I'm at. Hopefully, I have a solution, because I don't want to pay $1,500 for a tow. Good morning, guys. So I slept inside this F-150 here, and my boy slept in the back inside of the F-350 that's in the back there, because obviously the truck is freezing cold. It was more comfortable sleeping here. So I called Freightliner. It's actually a Caterpillar part. So big trucks like this, some parts are from your truck manufacturer like Freightliner, and some parts are Caterpillar. Most of the truck engine parts, they are usually Caterpillar. So your air compressor, fuel pump, blah blah blah, those are usually your engine manufacturer that has that part. So the closest one to here is in Bethesda, and that's about an hour from me. So I'm gonna figure out what I can do here, but first I still gotta pull the motor out. Pull the turbo out. So I gotta go there because I was super tired last night. It was freezing cold. So I'm gonna pull the turbo out and see if it's really the turbo or not. And then I gotta go find a way to get to the dealer. And the turbo is $2,000. A little over $2,000. It was 19 and change plus tax. So that sucks. If it wasn't this scenario, I would have got an aftermarket part, you know, like a better aftermarket turbo. That's what I did with my 450. Instead of getting a stock turbo before my blue, I put an aftermarket turbo in. You know, while I was at home, I ordered it, put it in. Then I also put a tuner, and the truck actually came out pretty nice, my 450. Anyways, that's where I'm at. I'll keep you guys informed here. So guys, this is a Hotshot.
Yeah.
Hotshot buddy from the road.
Yep.
He's what I like to call another one that suffers on the road. You know what I'm saying? So he came out, saved us, you know, helped us grab a couple parts that we needed, the turbo, the gaskets, and also grab a couple wrenches, you know, 90-degree wrenches or whatever. So I'm back here at the truck right now. We're gonna try to finish this and hopefully hit the road. So again, thank you very much.
All right, man.
And he's married, so rule number one, we gotta thank his wife for letting him come out here and help us on a Saturday, right?
Yeah, man.
All right, cool. Thanks, dude.
Right.
So I got this far, guys, and I just couldn't finish the job. I couldn't get the screws that are in the back here. There's 4 screws here. I couldn't get them, and I had to call this guy to come help me. You gotta admit defeat sometimes, so today I got defeated. We got this guy here, mobile mechanic. Alright, so we are almost done, guys. Almost getting there. And it's freezing. Guys, it's freaking freezing over here. So underneath the truck. Getting this thing done. Alright, guys. Things were bad. But guess what? They got worse. So we changed the turbo. I spent over $3,000 putting a brand new turbo in. We started the motor and the motor blew. So still on the side of the highway. I'm inside the customer car. This thing has 59 miles before it's empty. And tomorrow morning, load the link cargo. He's coming to save the day. So he's gonna bring his semi truck with his trailer. We're gonna load my semi on his trailer, and he's gonna connect my trailer on his truck on the second trip and take it back to his location. So you blow the motor on Saturday night, Sunday morning 7 a.m. you already hop in that brand new truck, you know. Nah, I'm just kidding, guys. Yo, load link cargo. This dude is legit, man. He's over here saving my ass. So we're taking 2 trucks over there right now. One is gonna pull my trailer, and the other one is gonna load up my truck. So this dude is legit a G. Yo, I appreciate you saving my ass, bro, for real, 1,000,000%, man. And now the mission starts. Trying to get the height a little bit down. Right now I'm forcing and change. So we're taking the air out, and we pulled it up there to the step because the engine is gone. So we pulled it up to the step with the chain. right, let's see what high we're at. We were at 14.1 and go down. No, you didn't lock right. Are you good now? So we just got to his lot right here in Maryland. Again, I can't even thank this guy enough. It's a situation you definitely don't want to be stuck on, and you really don't even know the next move until you can actually even call a shop. Today's Sunday, so I gotta wait until tomorrow to even call a shop, see what's up. But these motors, you can't rebuild these motors. They're not worth it because they're not sleeved. So you gotta bore them out, sleeve them, aftermarket sleeves. So it's not worth it. The best thing is to buy another truck with the same motor, swap it in, or just buy a used motor for like $4,000 and swap it in. And that's my trailer over there. So now I'm airing all the tires back up. Well, on the back, I'm just airing the outside tires. On the front, obviously both front tires. And we're gonna be good to go. We're all set here. My trailer's right there. Picking up a car at Hertz and heading to Boston. That's how the saga ends for now. We still gotta fix the truck. So tomorrow is Monday, then I gotta call shops, I gotta go find a motor and still figure that part out. But this is how we're leaving. Flights are crazy expensive and they're canceling because of the storm in Boston. So the best thing for us to do is get the hell out of here with a rented car. And to make it even better, what we did was we rented a surprise car. They don't tell you what it is until you get there. So we don't even know what we're driving yet.
Yeah.
Right?
No.
Hey everyone, I want to thank you guys for reaching out to me. A lot of people try to help me. A lot of people called around, you know, put their ass on the line out there for me. So I appreciate it. And I was also insanely shocked how many people drove past my truck and called me and texted me and messaged me asking if I was okay, if I needed help, if I needed food, if I needed diesel. So that was pretty cool, guys. I rarely break down. I haven't broken down in, you know, over a year and a half. So I don't usually get to see this kind of situation going on. And if you guys have gone through this, it's like, hey, I haven't really seen it that much. But that was awesome, guys. I really do appreciate it, and not just for me, but for everyone. It just shows how tight the community is and people care. And just a fun fact, not one single DOT or cop, state trooper pulled over to ask me if I needed help in over 24 hours. I was there for like 30 something hours. So